Hey, it's Ty Crandall with Credit Suite with a quick business credit and funding tip on how you can go through and fix damaged business credit reports. So, since there's no Fair Credit Reporting Act in the business world, there's no formal way to dispute inaccuracies on your business credit reports like there is with your consumer credit. So, each business reporting agency does provide an easy way online to update inaccuracies and change and enhance information on your business credit reports. Now, in most cases, any items you dispute will get removed with one simple online dispute from what we found historically. Experian and Equifax will require that you buy their credit monitoring services to be able to dispute with them online. Dun & Bradstreet has a free service called iUpdate where you can easily dispute inaccuracies with iUpdate without having to actually pay for credit monitoring like you do with Experian and Equifax. Now, if online disputes don't work, well then consider sending a letter directly to the creditor requesting they validate the debt or provide proof of what they're actually reporting. Now, keep in mind, business credit reports will only tell you the industry of the account, not the account name. So, for example, Staples is only going to show up on a business credit report under an office supplies category. So, you're going to have to at least understand and know who the sources are that are reporting on your business credit reports to be able to do so. Now, you can also try writing or calling the business credit reporting agencies as well to dispute this, but we found that to be mildly, if at all, effective. So you really want to try one to go with Experian and Equifax dispute online through their credit monitoring services. They make it easy to do so. Use iUpdate with Dun & Bradstreet, and then only at last resort consider sending a dispute letter working directly with the creditor or the actual reporting agency. Now, you can also settle the debt if it's a collection and ask for the account to be removed as part of your agreement to settle the debt. And also, don't forget that building new credit is always helpful because it offsets the damage of negative accounts. As a matter of fact, this is one of the biggest and most popular things that you can do, one of the easiest things you could do to improve your business credit. The more positive accounts you have, the more you absorb the damage of negative. So by adding a lot of accounts on there that are positive, if one goes into collection or you're paying it late, the damage will be minuscule if not completely inexistent because you have so much positive credit to offset the negative. So grab your free four-step guide on building business credit at creditsuite.com/tips. And if you have any questions about getting credit financing for your business, reach out to us directly at 877-600-2487 or visit us online at creditsuite.com.